What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about something I'm pretty excited about, and it's probably going to be a 2-day long video because right up front I'm going to tell you, my dumb ass didn't realize that this was a USB-C. I thought just at first glance that this was going to be like a USB, and I'm just going to plug this in like a big tough cool guy, right? But nope, that's not how this is going to play out. So what this is a new product that ProClip came out with. It's a MagSafe charger holder. So basically when the 12 came out, and it's got that MagSafe cool little charger thing in the back, and woohoo, it's nice, right? But you know, some people want that as an option, a quick magnetic thing without using the scotch setup or something. This will also charge your device. The only thing this won't do is because you're not, hardwired into the mainframe, the ecosystem of life over there, you can't have CarPlay. But they do have wireless CarPlay adapters. I might get into that later on if this does go as I feel like it will. So we'll see how that works. What we're going to do today, real quick, this is the MagSafe adapter. You might know it. You might look at it and say, hey, I remember you from a long time ago. We used to be friends. So I found on Etsy, of all places, like usual, a little like faux ass carbon fiber decal to go here so this doesn't look as bland, plain Jane nonsense. So I'm going to put that on there real quick, and we're going to go, ooh, that's what that looked like. That was pretty cool. Then we're going to say, look at this beautiful thing. So this is going to attach right to your holder. So if you have the holder, this is just a secondary thing to add on to the system you already have, so not too much craziness. And then what I ended up doing was picking up a phone case. I have the 12 Pro Max, so this is a Mag Armor case by Spigen, something like that. I do use this case at times. I have OtterBox cases. None of those cases that I have are actually going to work because you need a like MagSafe compatible case that has the thing, which I'm going to open this in a second, show you. So what we're going to do today's video, since I don't have the way of showing it functioning, I'll have that at the end of the video. I'm going to put this on here. We're going to go ooh ah. Then remember I said that ooh ah, right? So then we're going to go ooh ah here. I'm going to take that off. We're going to take this off. We're going to put that on there. And it's going to go ooh ah. So double ooh ahs, touch twice, right? Third time we're going to take this. We're going to just install it. I believe this just clicks in there, and you do a couple twisties, turnies, and some fun stuff there. Say a couple ooh-ahs for a third time, potentially. It's up to you. We'll see. 3 times a little excessive, but it's totally up to you. We can handle this. I think we can totally handle the situation. So we're going to see how this works. If I'm impressed, which I'm probably going to be, then I will venture. Then I'll venture into this situation. The way I'm wired up now, and the reason I'm trying this in the Tahoe first, is it's just so much of a simpler setup to attach it to and test. In here, it's a little bit of a pain in the butt because I've got my wiring through here, excuse the dust, into the back of the head unit, down here, and just so that it doesn't look as poo-poo caca. Where did this dust come? I swear to you, I wiped this whole interior down the other day. I take one ride, I feel like I'm like, listen, I feel like I just got out of a bad country song that's called Old Dirt Road or something. This is just like insanity. Look at what in the hell is that? Anyway, so like I said, it could be something, if I can figure out the transition to a wireless CarPlay adapter, find one that works. So link it below if you do know one that actually works well. Then I will make the switch, because this is kind of annoying. I have to keep plugging in. I want to just be able to attach my phone, and if it's in a car, it's wirelessly connected to my CarPlay, which would be phenomenal. And it would just be a magnetic connection and charge. Simplicity at its best. I would very much like that. Plus it'll have that carbon fiber decal, so it's like so cool. We'll see how that goes. So let's roll up the sleeves. Let's get to the first ooh-ah and then the second ooh-ah. I have not a lot of confidence in this situation. This does not even look like high quality product. So we're gonna throw this down. I did wipe this. I wiped this off already with some rubbing alcohol. Very gentle though, because you don't want to screw it up and saturate it. What? Would you look at that? Yo! I'll be damned. That looks fancy as all hell. It fit perfect. I don't see any of the white around it. That's a lot of ooh-ahs. Tell me you're not gonna give me an ooh-ah after that? Somebody better type ooh-ah in the comment section. That's all I damn know. So let me flip this up. So, like I said, spiggin'. We're gonna open this up. I have a lot of phone cases for this phone. I am not too proud to say. This case, however, this thing is super thin, super light. Like, super light. I got this from Unbox Therapy. It's my second one with him. Smaller, stronger, faster. Beautiful. So like I said, this has the little circle of life that the magnetic situation situates to. See, that's beautiful. And it just helps the transition. We're gonna take this, slide this. Wow, that goes. Wow, this case is actually pretty nice. Oh look, you can actually see the indent on it. That's kind of cool. This is actually kind of nice. It's got a little bit of a raised lip around the camera, which I actually kind of dig. It feels good. It's a little slippery. I'm not really a super fan of that, but it feels good in the hand. It's rounded. It's nice. I could definitely see me having a case like this long term in the back. It actually looks kind of cool, other than the giant indented areola. Little pepperoni pizza nipples. So yeah. So that's two ooh-ahs. Let's open this up. Let's see what this is all about. Basically, yo! I'm gonna cancel my order right now! Am I stupid or what? Yo, am I stupid? I'm beyond stupid. Dude, ProClip is the freaking man, woman. Look at this. You gotta be absolutely kidding me. Do you know, bro, this company is something else. Forget everything I just said in the beginning. Now I gotta cancel that $9.99 order that wasn't even supposed to come here till Friday. Today's Wednesday. That was absolutely frustrating to all men and women across the country. So this is kind of cool, because now this plugs in, but it doesn't kill the USB port. So if somebody else wants to hook up something, oh my god, dude, ProClip, you're freaking phenomenal. How would the world ever function without them? How would you do it? How would you even function in this world? So it comes with 4 beautiful screws that we're used to seeing when you got a ProClip. And this is the adapter. So let's take this out. Remember, when you're removing things, grab the ends. Don't be that guy that pulls on cords and then complains later on when they're not working correctly. So what we're gonna have to do to prep this, just like the other clips, we're gonna stick our screwdriver in here. And we're going to separate their proprietary little mount. Actually, you know what? I'm wondering if this mount is going to be the same as the one that's already on there. So I wouldn't have to keep unscrewing and screwing in a new base. We're going to have to go find that out. That would be freaking cool. Yo, it freaking slides. Am I like losing it today? I didn't know that. This adjusts. Listen, I'm not even gonna lie. I was sitting here and I'm looking at it and I'm like, this can't be a design flaw. These people are freaking geniuses, because my little areola is a little higher. Wow, you guys are smart as all hell. Yo, super smart. So you could put it as high as you need, and then you still get to utilize that little safety ledge lip. So just in case the magnet's not enough, it's not just dangling, freeballing in the air and gonna fall down and it's not gonna just lodge into the gas pedal somehow, intertwining with it, and then you're just gonna accelerate off a ravine, you know, a big cliff, like a movie. You're not gonna do that, because they thought about that. They gave you a little lip here. Alright, we gotta take all of this. Oh, Jesus. This is just turning into one of these videos, you know? Typical video, typical craziness. Let's go into the truck. So we are inside the Tahoe. This is what I'm talking about easiness, okay? I'm actually testing 2 dash cams at the same time for Blackview. So I have a 3rd cigarette lighter. There's 3 cigarette lighters. Now, before all this, I usually just had a Before all this, I usually just had a regular... Shut the f*** up, camera! Who gives a shit about your normal goddamn recording? Shut up! Freaking woosah, bro. Where's Will Smith when you need it? So, this is... God. So this is the way I've been dealing with my stuff. It goes in there and I have 2 USB. This is actually, oddly enough, a skosh. So we have some lighting. Remember I told you about this light? Look at this 5. Look at how much brighter it gets, dude. Now that's 100%. That's crazy. You know what's even crazier? That's 50%. And this is 1%. Let's just keep it at 50. That's nuts. That's just absolutely wild banana sandwich here. So just to show you, this is what we're going to be working with. I got all my stuff here. I'm going to actually try to put this. I'm going to try to put that there. It's not the best working angle for me, but I'll get it done. Let's see if these pads on the back are the same. I have a feeling they might be. Oh my god, I just dropped it in between the seat. You gotta be dicking me right now. No way. No way. No way. Jesus. I'm not having a beautiful moment at this moment, alright? So, this looks the same. I'm gonna lose it. This is perfect. So let's just do this. I have no way of tightening this. It's got like some kind of special like bolt. What is this gonna do? I guess that's gonna... What does that do? Oh, it creates... What are you talking about, the cloud disconnect? I didn't push any buttons! Hush your mouth! My goodness! This thing is just going AWOL here. Is this actually going in? That's freaking awesome. Wow. And obviously I'm gonna have to try to find the tool for that. It looks like a Torx. We're gonna need a Torx bit. Do I need a Torx bit? Anyway, let's just get it tested first. This looks kind of cool. This is starting to look kind of cool. All right, so let's see what we could do here. We're gonna just try to attach this in here. Does this just... How does this go in? Okay, and we're just gonna go like this. Obviously not too tight seas. What I might do, I know. What are you talking about? Parking mode on. Shut up! Yo, what is with these dash cams, dude? What is this? What we're gonna do is, where's my phone? Hello, hey phone, how you doing, buddy? All right, moment of truth. Just gonna throw this on here. I think it's tall enough. Let's pull it down. How is the cloud connected? How is the cloud connecting? Oh my sweet mother of God. Do you understand what's happening right now? I'm losing my mind. Hello? Hello? So let's just put this down and let's see what happens. That's it. You gotta be kidding me. That's the coolest thing ever. Oh my God, it's great. And I get to see all that stuff too. That's a beautiful thing, guys. Woo! I'm so excited. Look at this. Oh my God, this is cool! That noise is addicting. Yeah, I know, like 57%. What's up with that, bro? That noise, it's like this like satisfying thud. It's like a boop. I never heard it before. I never used this before. This is the first time ever experiencing this. What is that noise? It's so cool! I want to wake up to that noise. I want that to be my alarm clock. Whoa! This is nuts. So like I said, we can mess with cable management and stuff. I didn't even need these. Now I got like a drug baggie for no reason. This is awesome. I'm so excited. So, this is cool. And you can switch back and forth just by a change. You don't even need to that would have been something I would have had to do, whatever, it's fine. But screwing in and unscrewing and whatever. It's a pain in the butt, but this is kind of cool, and I dig it. I dig it. All right, so that's acceptable for me for right now. So like I said, I usually try to keep my wiring. This camera is just temporary. This is one that I was testing out, and I'm honestly just, you know, letting the wires dangle, and it is what it is. It's not staying long term. So this wire will be gone. This thing was run all nice and neat. It's just all looks like dog shit right now, so is what it is. I think this is really kind of cool. I'm extremely happy. Let's hear that noise again. That's just ridiculous. I'm very excited about that. So yeah, that's what it looks like, and you know, there's still maneuverability. I don't want to do it like that. There's still maneuverability if you want to twist it more toward you, or down, or up, or down, or whatever. And I'm gonna take this out and tighten everything the way I would want. So I'll get it all dialed in nice the way I would like it. But for now, this looks freaking awesome. I'm very excited. Thank you so much, ProClip, for making yet again another freaking awesome product. And I will let you guys know in a future video if we can do the wireless CarPlay, if that is an option. It is like $150, $160, or $120, whatever. I've seen some options, so I'm gonna check out what we can do, but this is what we got. Damn, they're so clutch for having that. That's so smart, and I'm sorry, the value you get with ProClip, you cannot compare to anyone else, because no one else is gonna include extra pieces to take away from their bottom line. This is a company that wants you to have everything you need and not have to spend money like I just thought. So silly me, and you know, I'm embarrassed for not trusting a company that I've been trusting myself for many years to put cool phone clips, phone mounts, phone everything into my vehicles. Silly me. Live and you learn. This is awesome. I'm very excited. So thank you so much for passing by, guys. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly, truly appreciate you. I hope everybody is staying happy, healthy, and humble. I'll see you guys on the next one. And if you are in the market for a MagSafe solution, this is the one you're going to want. This is the one you're going to need. And yeah, I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for passing by. I'll see you guys on the next one. So, as my mom would say, I guess I had a shit for brains moment. Yo, I'm done, guys. They gave you a tool for that. Why? Like, it was hiding behind a piece of paper in the actual packaging. I'm stupid today. Like, I'm sorry. Like, super duper extra special stupid today. Yup. My goodness. Yo, what goes on with me, man? I'm embarrassed. So, never doubt ProClip ever again. I'm sure while they're watching this... Hi, everybody from ProClip. I'm sure while they're watching this, they're probably laughing, or they're probably like, check the packaging, stunad! But, it just wouldn't be me. Just wouldn't be me, guys. So, now that's all tight, and, oh, come on. Damn! Made it even better! Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Oh my God!